Hello guys, welcome back to IIT Prep Solution channel. Today I am discussing about this question. The points minus 1 comma 5 and minus 2 comma 3 and 5 comma 7 and 6 comma 9 taken in order form. First we want to do AB. Here A equal to this one, B equal to this one, C equal to this one and D equal to this one. We know the formula for distance, that is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, that equal to AB. Okay, minus 1 comma 5 and minus 2 comma 3 x1 y1 x2 y2 minus 2 minus of minus plus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square, that is 1 plus 4. AB equal to root 5. Now we want to do for BC. BC equal to B is minus 2 comma 3 and C is 5 comma 7 x1 y1 x2 y2 under root of 5 minus of minus plus 2 whole square plus 7 minus 3 whole square 5 plus 2 7 whole square plus 7 minus 3 4 whole square under root of 49 plus 16, that is under root of 65. And we want to do for CD, that is C is 5 comma 7, D is 6 comma 9 x1 y1 x2 y2, that is under root of 6 minus 5 whole square plus 9 minus 7 whole square, that equal to 1 square plus 9 minus 7 2 whole square, that is root 5. Okay, we want to do for now AC. A is minus 1 comma 5 and C is 5 comma 7 x1 y1 x2 y2, that is under root of 5 plus 1 whole square plus 7 minus 5 whole square, that is 2 square plus 7 minus 5, sorry here 6 square plus 2 square, 36 plus 4 under root 40. BD. B is minus 2 comma 3, D is 6 comma 9 x1 y1 x2 y2. If we solve this one, we get the value under root 100, like that. DA is root 65. Okay, now here AB equal to CD and BC equal to DA and BD is not equal to AC. These three conditions are satisfied by parallelogram. For this question, parallelogram is the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video.